Hello, so our recipe for today is creamy pork adobo. So here's the ingredients. First you got pork belly cut, then you got the evaporated milk, garlic, bay leaf, water, vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and crushed pepper, and add also salt and pepper to taste. So first we're gonna marinate the pork. Gonna put the crushed garlic, then put the soy sauce, then put the vinegar, then put some crushed pepper. Then just mix this and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight will be better. So once you're done marinating, you heat the oil, then fry the pork. So while you're frying, add nyo rin yung garlic. So i-fry nyo rin siya. So you fry the pork until maluto siya, siguro mga dark, a little light to medium brown. Yung all sides niya. Once the pork is cooked, dali na natin ulit yung marinade sauce. Then put in the bay leaf, then the oyster sauce, then also put the water. So once nagbo-boil na siya, i-lower nyo lang yung heat to medium, then let it simmer for 10 minutes or hanggang okay na yung lambot ng pork niya. So after simmering it, put some pepper kung gusto nyo mas talagang medyo maanghang. Then put the milk. Mix it and in a low flame for around 2 minutes lang. So after, ito na po ang ating finished product. So thank you for watching. If you want to see the detailed ingredients, just see the description. And thank you for watching again. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see other recipes, just comment below. God bless.